This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
Okay, you have a special opportunity now. Only those who are on this boat are going to hear this. We're now traveling by boat through the alleyways of Venice. We're headed to the kever of Rabbi Yehuda Aryeh of Modena, who lived from 1571 to 1648. He was the rabbi of Venice for 36 years. In 1601, Vatahar Ishti Vateled Ben Zachar. Rabbi Yehuda Aryeh of Modena had a baby boy on Chavtes Nisan. This Rabbi Yehuda Aryeh records in his biography, his autobiography, Chaye Yehuda. And he says, my whole life I always wondered, why don't Jews call their child Zevulun? I mean, this is a name that's fallen out of disuse. Ruvain, Shimon, Levi, Yehuda, Yisachar even. You have Dan, Naphtali. I don't know how popular Gad is, but you have more Gads than Zevulun, Asher, Yosef, Binyamin. What happened to Zevulun? Says Rabbi Yehuda Aryeh, Ratzisi lahakim shem hatzadik b'Yisrael. I wanted to be making shame of Zevulun. Umagam ki noilad b'Venezia. My son is born in Venice. Venice is l'choif yamim. How can I not name my son Zevulun? So Rabbi Yehuda Aryeh, looking over at the water here in Venice, says, the Kara Shemai Zevulun, because he's in the city of Venice. So this was the name that Rabbi Yehuda Aryeh of Modena restored here in Venice. Now his secular name was Marin, and he gives the bracha, Hamakoim Yigadlehu Liyarasoi Va'avoidasoi Yetiv Achrisoi Mereishisoi. This was what Rabbi Yehuda Aryeh records in his autobiography.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.